you want to start with your centerpieces, so like the green center. And again, remember, we're wanting to make that same thing that we put on the bottom face, our red face there. We're just going to flip it up sideways. So you want to make sure that your two, here's about the green, that your two centerpieces, because we had these little prongs all facing in, you want to make sure that these are kind of facing upwards. Oh, that's backwards. What am I doing? Right, so they're going to go in like this. Right, see how they're both facing inwards and upwards? Just kind of slide them on here. And do that with the rest of the faces. And then slip, after you've got those in, you want to take your, you don't want to worry about the corner pieces, but your edge pieces here, you want to find the correct one. See, this is the correct one because it's facing upwards. When I set it like this so that it goes in, so if the green side's on the green side, it's facing upwards. You want to take them and you want to stick them all in their respective corners. Okay, so now that you've got that, you got your second layer together, we're going to take more T pieces and more bats and stick them. How you're going to do this here, again, you want the T side, you want the vertical side to go up against this column here. So you're going to take it and you're going to stick it in sideways like this. Take your bat pieces first. Your bat pieces first, and then stick them in sideways. They're going to go in like this. Stick them in, and then take your T's and then stick them up against it so that you can use your bat to stabilize your T. Okay, so now we've got the pieces in, all secured. See that? And we're going to build our third layer. Again, so now remember, these are going on the top, so they're going to face in, but they're also going to face down. Right? So they're going to go in like that. And you're going to find your corresponding side piece, edge piece, and stick it down. There, so we've got 3 layers. From here, for our last layer, what you want to do first is you want to finish your core. You're going to finish your core first, and then you're going to put your pieces on it. So we're going to take our T's, because we've got this side core here. It's only got T's on the bottom and the 2 sides, so you need to put them on top now. So, and now what I like about this is that now we've got these little prongy things here that are going to keep our T's in once they're secured. You can kind of have to turn the cube sideways after this, so it's kind of nice to just have them secured in there. Now, don't be alarmed. You'll notice that you've only got 2 T's left, but you haven't put any on this core. Well, because of the bizarre nature of this particular core, we've got this, and these make up for those 2 missing T's. So You're going to take your, after you've got that, you're going to take your bat. You stick it, let's use these two that already have the T pieces attached, right? You're going to take it and you're going to slip it in that. You might need to turn it sideways. I usually do end up turning it sideways into it. Like, let's see, I've got my piece there. I'm going to try to, like that. Let's see. See, now that's going to hold it in place as if there was a T there. And this side too. And then you'll see that these will slide together, more or less. You kind of gotta force them. I mean, don't, if it feels like it's gonna break, you know, use your common sense, but you do kind of have to manhandle your pieces. But it's okay, they're plastic, you know, they're not super brittle. So you got those two in there. Now this is where you want to turn your cube sideways, so it's kind of nice that this has been secured. Take your T, and you're going to kind of lay it on top there. Keep your finger on it to secure it. Let's see if I can move this any closer so that you can get at least a semi-decent view. Move this any closer. And take your bat and kind of wedge them in like you just did those other two. Like that. And same thing, again with your final bit. Final T piece. Now you can see your little cubey thing, that your little circular sphere-y thing that should have been there just because it's a 4x4 is now put together. All right. So now you'll notice you only have orange related pieces left. Let's see if I can. So start with one side. Start with blue here. Stick in your side. Other side. Right, and these should go across it like that. Then you want to put on your center pieces. Right, after you get two of these in, you want to put on your center pieces. Now remember, you want to make that same little cross X thingy with these. You want to make them just upside down this time. So make sure that they stick in. It'll kind of be commonsensical because you won't really have an option of how you can stick them in. But make sure that you take that and you stick it in so that it hooks into the hole there. Oh, stupid. You can do really this last layer you can do in kind of any order. I found this to be the most effective order. Right. Now with those there, take this. Jimmy him in. Right. Get a corner in there. And we can stick more. Wedge your other corner. Now the last two pieces that need to go on, right, put them together the way that they're supposed to go, and these will just slip right in, and you'll have remembered that from taking it apart. And now that's a fixed 4x4. That was my tutorial on how to rebuild the bizarre ghost hand 4x4 cube. I hope it wasn't too incoherent. So let me know if that was helpful. If it wasn't, let me know what wasn't helpful about it, and I can go back later and make a better one. So just let me know, and thank you for watching.